Unlock your imagination and craft the perfect anime avatar with the power of Leonardo AI. First, let's dive into Leonardo AI's user-friendly interface. Navigate to the image generation section, which is your creative playground for bringing anime characters to life. The magic happens with your prompt for a stunning anime avatar. Be descriptive. Start with words like anime avatar, followed by details about the character's appearance. For example, a young anime girl with vibrant pink hair, big emerald green eyes, and a determined expression, wearing a futuristic school uniform. Next, select your model. Leonardo AI offers various models, and for that authentic anime feel, look for options specifically tuned for anime aesthetics. This selection is crucial for achieving your desired art style. Now, let's talk about creative strength. This setting influences how much freedom the AI has in interpreting your prompt for unique and stylized avatars. Experiment with a higher creative strength if you want it very close to your precise wording. Keep it a bit lower. Don't forget the elements or style settings here. You can often find preset styles that emphasize anime. Look for options like anime, illustration, or even more niche styles if available. This is a powerful shortcut to achieving that specific look. For more control, explore the character design elements. You can often fine-tune details like hairstyles, eye shapes, clothing, and even facial expressions. Playing with these will help you sculpt your avatar precisely. Once you're happy with your settings, hit generate. Leonardo AI will present you with multiple options. Don't be afraid to iterate, regenerate, tweak your prompt, or adjust the settings until you have an avatar that truly resonates. These stunning anime avatars are perfect for elevating your social media presence, creating unique gaming profiles, or simply as a fun personal representation. Happy creating.